Structure, the foundation of all forms. In construction, structure means reinforced concrete, whose strength lies in an almost perfect combination of materials. But every coin has two sides. After disasters caused by natural phenomena such as earthquakes, landslides, or floods, or by human actions like war, terrorist attacks, or simply poor design and construction, the concrete may give way, but the rebar will not. The time required for demolition and debris removal is often comparable to the time needed to build the core structure of a building, with one major difference. During rescue operations, time is everything. We're no longer talking about months, weeks, or even days, but hours. Statistics show that 75% of survivors are rescued within the first 24 hours. After 72 hours, survival chances drop dramatically. The steel rebar inside concrete, the holy grail for engineers, becomes a nightmare for rescuers. Without cutting through the internal reinforcement, no tool or machine can clear the debris. Current methods, which haven't changed in decades, mainly rely on oxyacetylene cutting or hydraulic shears. Oxyacetylene cutting requires two gases, one of which is highly flammable. Hydraulic shears are heavy, difficult to handle, and require clear physical access to the rebar. When time is the key factor, both methods are simply outdated and not good enough. That's why EBC technology presents a unique solution. We've taken the temperature of traditional oxyfuel cutting, around 3,500 degrees Celsius, and raised it to 6,000 degrees Celsius. We removed the flammable acetylene and kept only oxygen. We concentrated all that heat into a single point, the very tip of a metal rod. And we created Vulkan 10, a next-generation device for fast and efficient cutting in the harshest conditions. Vulkan 10 consists of the following components: an oxygen tank, a backflow safety valve to prevent flame return, an oxygen pressure regulator, an oxygen release valve, a handle for holding the electrode, and the metal electrode itself. Thanks to its extremely high temperature of 6,000 degrees Celsius, Vulkan 10 can cut through all metals, including cast iron, all types of steel, stainless steel, and bronze. But also concrete itself, which no longer needs to be cut, because it can simply be melted, rebar included. And of course, it works underwater too. Let's go back to what matters most: time. From assembling the Vulkan 10 system to ignition and cutting, everything happens in seconds. Changing a used electrode? Seconds. Ignition? Seconds. Cutting? Seconds. A side-by-side comparison clearly shows the difference between old oxyfuel methods and the modern Vulkan 10 approach. An oxygen tank on your back, an electrode in your hand, the perfect combo for emergency response. The oxygen hose doesn't have to be short. The tanks don't have to be small or portable. By using larger tanks placed on mobile pallets and hoses 10, 20, or even 50 meters long, Vulkan 10 enables continuous all-day operation. The electrodes are resistant to extreme stress, impact, deformation, and harsh environmental conditions. They can be bent or shaped without losing functionality. Even if corrosion appears, the oxidized surface will only improve the burning process. Vulkan 10 is easily integrated into existing rescue and emergency systems. It doesn't require complex or costly vehicle modifications. It needs no extra machinery, pumps, or compressors. Training is fast and simple, just like using the device itself. And when combined with remotely operated systems, like submarines, ground vehicles, or UAVs, we are ready for every challenge.